Hi, this is Sanveer, and you're watching Million Stack YouTube channel. Guys, if you are using Figma for your design prototypes for your web application or mobile application, if you are a user of Figma, you are using Figma in a browser, Chrome browser, you might face a lot of issue so guys, you can see here. Might you have an issue while you previewing your project? So here, what the error is, you cannot able to see the uh, prototype in mobile screens. So you can see here I'm showing the issue and I will show you how to fix that. So just I'm previewing my project. So as you can see, the preview screen is loading. So I use Figma for my designs, UI design. I love Figma very much because they have a lot of free resources and pretty much easy. I use for previously I have used designs for my designs. I used Photoshop, but I'm using Figma for designing templates and ad creatives and etc. So pretty much it's very easy for beginners. So guys, you can see I have previewed. So this screen, have you screen this? Have you seen the screen? You might also have same issue. Half screen, you cannot able to see the complete preview of your application. So how to fix this? So firstly, you have to go open your new tab and type Chrome and flags FLAGS and enter. So here you have to search GPL. Sorry. I forgot one thing here. So here is the just you have to type the angle. So choose angle graphics backend and click here open GL. Just you have to click here and then you just have to click relaunch and let's see our project preview. So might this issue will be fixed. Preview. As you can see, this is my design for an marketplace application. So guys, as you can see here, the issue has been fixed. Now you can able to see your design clearly on your mobile devices and your web browsers. So previously I have faced a lot of issue on Chrome. I didn't tested Figma on Firefox. So because we you familiar with Chrome, we use our I use Figma on everything on Chrome. So the issue has been fixed. So as you can see here. So guys, this is my first Figma video, which I previously have faced this issue. I have searched a lot of things, but I didn't find any solution. Finally, I have found on Facebook. I have just posted an issue on Facebook. I got replies from developers, I mean experts in Figma. So I just implemented that solution and I have gone happy for that. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question related to Figma, I can provide you. Just you have to comment. So friends, we'll meet you on next video. Thank you.